Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Students, in chapter metric system, we have already done how to convert higher to lower unit. Today, I will discuss with you how to convert lower to higher unit. To understand this topic, let's take some examples. Our first concept is length. That means when the statement is given in kilometer, meter, centimeter, etc. First of all, we will make 3 columns. In the first column, we will write down statement. In the last column, we will write down answer. And in center, we will write down the place value table of length. That is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. So before starting the sum, first step is we will make 3 columns and in the first column write down statement. In the last column, answer, and in the center column, we will write down the table. Now, what is the statement? Statement is 3625 meter, and we have to convert this statement into kilometers. Students, this arrow indicates that we have to convert this statement into kilometers. Now, as you know, meter is smaller unit and we have to convert this in kilometer, that is higher unit. Now first step is we will arrange the number. What is the statement? 3625 meter. Meter is given, so while arranging the numbers, we start from meter. 5 will come under meter, 2 under decameter, 6 under hectometer and 3 under kilometer. Now firstly what we have done, we have arranged this number. Now second step is we have to convert this number into kilometer. So students, here the given statement is in meters and we have to convert the statement into kilometers. So that means we are going back. So in this case, first of all, you will make one arrow in this way and here one decimal will come. Because we are converting smaller unit to higher unit. So what is the answer? Answer is 3.625 kilometers. So let's write down the answer. 3.625 kilometer. Let's take one more example. 4961 millimeter. And we have to convert the statement into meters. Again, what is the first step? First of all, we will arrange this number. And now we will start arrangement from millimeters. Here millimeter is given. So let's arrange the numbers. Arrange the number from back. So first of all, 1 will come under millimeter, 6 under centimeter, 9 under decimeter and 4 under meter. Now students, statement is given in millimeters and we have to convert the statement in meters. Again, we have to convert the smaller unit into greater unit. So that means we will move from millimeter towards meter. So here one decimal will come. So what is the answer? 4.961 meter. Students, statement was given in millimeters and we have converted the statement in meter. Now, let's take one more example. 71 meter. And we have to convert it into hectometer. Now, let's arrange it. We will start arranging number from back and start writing from meter. Here meter is given. So, under meter, 1 will come. And under decameter, 7 will come. Now, we have to convert it into hectometer. But students, you can see there is nothing below hectometer. So, you can put 0 here. Now, we have to convert it into hectometer. That means we will move from meter towards hectometer. So, here one decimal will come. That means in between hectometer and decameter, decimal will come. So, what is the answer? 0.71 hectometer. Now, students, here one question will arise in your mind that why I have written here 0. Because in the previous examples, I have not written 0. Students, in the previous examples, before decimal, already one number was given. So, that's why there was no need to put 0. But in this example, here before decimal, no digit was there. That's why we have to put 0. Now, let's take next example. 33 centimeter. We have to convert it into decimeter. So, what is the first step? First of all, we will arrange this number. 3 will come under centimeter and this 3 will come under decimeter. Now, convert it into decimeter. So, that means we will move from centimeter towards decimeter. So, after decimeter, we will put decimal. So, what is the answer? 3.3 decimeter. Now, students, let's take some more examples related to mass. That means when the statement is given in kilograms, grams, centigrams, etc. Again, what is the first step? First step is we will make 3 columns. In the first column, we will write down statement. In the last column, answer. And in the center column, we will write down the metric system table of mass. That means kilogram, hectograms, decagrams, grams, decigrams, centigrams and milligrams. Now, let's understand it with the help of examples. Example number 1. 2819 grams and convert it into kilograms. Now, the statement is given in grams. Now, let's arrange the numbers. 9 under grams, 1 under decagrams, 8 under hectograms, 2 under kilograms. Now, students, statement is given in grams and we have to convert it into kilograms. That means we will move from grams towards kilograms. So, here after kilogram in the next column, dot will come. So, what is the answer? Answer is 2.819 kilograms. Let's take second example. 3,264 milligrams and convert it into grams. Now, statement is given in milligrams and we have to convert it into grams. Let's arrange the numbers. 4 under milligrams, 6 under centigrams, 2 under decigrams, and 3 under grams. Now, we have to convert milligrams into grams. That means we will move from milligrams towards grams. That means here after 3 point will come. So let's write down the answer. Now, let's take example number 3. 93 centigrams and we have to convert it into decigrams. Now the statement is given in centigrams. So that means we will start writing number from centigram. So 3 will come under centigrams, 9 under decigrams. We have to convert it into decigrams. So that means centigram will change into decigram. So here after decigram, 1 dot will come. So what is the answer? Answer is 9.3 decigrams. Now students, let's take examples of capacity. That means when the statement is given in kiloliters, liters, etc. Now, what we will do? First of all, we will make 3 columns. In the first column, we will write down statement. In the center column, we will write down metric system table of capacity. And in the third column, we will write down answer. Now, let's take example number 1. 3,691 liters and we have to convert it into kiloliters. So let's arrange the numbers. 1 under liter, 9 under decaliter, 6 under hectoliter, and 3 under kiloliter. Now, we have to convert this liter into kiloliter. That means we will move from liter towards kiloliter. The statement was given in liters, so we are moving towards kiloliter. What is the answer? 3.691 kiloliter. Let's take example number 2. 4,204 milliliter. And we have to convert it into liters. So that means we will start writing table from milliliters. 4 under milliliter, 0 under centiliter, 2 under deciliter, and this 4 under liter. Now we will move from milliliter towards liter. So that means after liter in the second box, decimal will come. So what is the answer? That is in liters. Student, statement was given in milliliter. We have converted it into liters. Example number 3. 413 centiliter and we have to convert it into liters. Let's arrange the numbers. 3 under centiliter, 1 under deciliter and 4 under liter. Now we have to convert it into liters. So that means we will move from centiliter towards liter. So in the next column of liter, here decimal will come. Now let's write down the answer. Your answer will come in liters. The statement was given in centiliters and we have converted the statement into liters. Let's take example number 4. 32 milliliter. Let's write down the numbers. 2 under milliliter and 3 under centiliter. We have to move from milliliter towards centiliter. This means here after centiliter, decimal will come. So what is the answer? 3.2 centiliter. Students, when we were converting higher unit to lower unit, we were putting zeros. But when we will convert lower unit to higher unit, we will put decimals. So students, today we have learned how to convert lower unit to higher unit. I hope now you are able to do the related homework that we have sent to you in your SNAP homework. But students, before starting the homework, please go through the YouTube links that are mentioned in your SNAP homework. Have a nice day. Thank you.